Hello everyone, I am Sai Jithan and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the notification control panel between the MIUI 12.5 versus the MIUI 12 version. So right now, as you can see friends, there is a MI 11, so which is running the latest MIUI 12.5 version, and whereas this is a phone which is from the Poco X3 and which is running the MIUI 12.0.8, as you can see friends. So let's compare what is the difference between just control center and notification panel between the previous version MIUI 12 versus the latest MIUI 12.5. This is all about this complete video, and I did create the separate playlist for the MIUI 12.5 users, so make sure to check that playlist. You'll find plenty of tips and tricks and all the things, so make sure to watch that. So first let's move to the control center and the notification in the control center option, as you can see friends, so which is present here. So here also there's an option, so let me click the notification shade and the control center and the status bar. So let's focus for this control center. What are the options we are having? So at the moment, as you can see friends, there's a new icon style which has been added here, so which is pretty simple, so which shows you the visualization of the old one and the new one, as you can clearly see. And in the previous MIUI 12, you just get only one button on and off, that's it. So apart from that, you don't get any of the options. So this is the only difference between both MIUI 12.5 and 12 versions. So this is the only center difference. And next, let's move to this top column. So when you try to swipe it, as you can see friends, so now there's a special feature which is present in the MIUI 12.5. So when you open this control center, so when you swipe left, you can see all the notifications, as you can see friends, and when you swipe right, you'll get to the control center, so which you cannot do in this previous MIUI version. As you can see, you cannot swipe, so you cannot go to the notifications so from the control center. That is a one change. And if you observe closely, you can see this date and time got added in the control center instead of this naming. So I think it's kind of very much beneficial, because there's no such usefulness for this having the control center name itself. So it's really good that they added the date and time as well. That's another good advantage. And overall, in terms of the icon design, I think there is nothing much difference. So even if you tap this small line, you will get the same kind of menu style. So everything is going to be same only, so same type of animations and everything. But another thing is that if you try to swipe a little bit downside, you'll get plenty of options, as you can see friends, 1 2 3 4 5, so many options you are getting here. But in this MIUI 12.5, if you try to swipe it downwards, as you can see, you are getting only 1 2 3 4. So you can compare friends the difference between both, how many options versus how many options. I feel the previous UI is quite good in terms of this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 layers you are getting, 1 2 3, only 3 layers, and the fourth layer is slightly visible, as you can see friends. So in the beginning you can only see 2 layers, and if you swipe you can see 3 layers. So it's not that helpful. I feel the old version is quite helpful in this one. So that is what the difference I did notice. So apart from that, everything is quite same. The auto brightness style and design, everything is same. The way it's increasing and decreasing, all the animations is quite same, so nothing much difference. So even if you long press and if you tap flashlight as well, everything is all the animations are quite same in both phones. And if you try to click edit in both UIs, so you do get this kind of same kind of menu styles. So there's nothing much difference happening at the moment in terms of the selecting options. So everything is quite similar to each other, so nothing much difference friends. So only there are two things which are mainly affected, which is the having this kind of time which got added here. So that is another thing here. So time got added, and you can shift to the notifications from the control center. So these are the main two things which are changes mainly particularly happen in the new UI. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more details. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.